Every grit system starts with a grit hub. It is the brains of the operation, and it's going to communicate with every other device that is part of your home shop system. After the grit hub, you're going to add a trigger to every tool in your shop. Grit offers an entire spectrum of triggers, ranging from 120 volts all the way up to 483 phase. The grit trigger monitors power and can tell whether your tool is on or not. The LED indicator light on top of each trigger will illuminate red or green, showing whether the tool is locked or unlocked. And this is what enables Grit to automate your dust collector. The Grit trigger also allows for locking and unlocking the tool in your shop. This is done simply by pressing a button on the hub or in the Grit app. After putting triggers on each one of the tools in your shop, the next thing you'll want to do is add a collector device to your collection system. In this example, we have a 120 volt collector, and we're just adding our device in line with the collector. And it's as simple as plugging it in and it into the wall. Grit offers 120 volt, 220 volt magnetic switch collectors, an IR RF collector device, which is if your collector has a remote, as well as a VFD device, your variable frequency drive. The next thing to add to your automated collection system is the Grit gate control. The Grit gate control retrofits onto your existing blast gate, so there's no need to take apart existing systems. You add the Grit gate control device to your existing metal blast gate. Grit offers sizes from 2.5 inches all the way up to 12 inches. The Grit gate control devices are powered with a 9 volt power supply. It's done easily by daisy chaining all of your gates together to the one power supply instead of needing an outlet for each location. The Grit gate control has a visual indicator of being red or green, showing whether it's open or closed. Green being open, red being closed. Once you've installed the entire Grit system into your shop and configured it with the Grit app, you simply just use your tools in your shop and things are automated. I can come and use my spindle sander and my disc drum sander and my table saw, and I don't have to think about any configuration at this point. So I can show you that I'm going to turn on all three tools, and the collector and the blast gates configure themselves automatically. I can even come to my table saw, and here we'll see that we actually have branch gates that are going to be responsive also. So I have all of these gates open, and I can walk around and use whatever tool I need. So you can see that I've done nothing other than go up to my tools and use them. This leads into the design of your shop. You can do things differently than with a manual system. You're able to put blast gates in higher locations, out of the way. The Grit gate control system is highly adaptable to any shop. If you have any questions, please reach out to us and let us help you design the Grit automation system that's right for you.